Looking for the perfect tent for your next adventure? Discover the top 5 best camping tents, built for durability, comfort, and all-weather protection. Ideal for every outdoor enthusiast. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the Blackdeer Archeos tent, a durable, all-season shelter perfect for 2 to 4 people. Crafted with 7001 aluminum alloy poles and waterproof polyester, it offers stability, weather resistance, and comfort. The 4-season version features a snow skirt and reduced mesh for added warmth, while the cross-pole design ensures extra space inside. Ideal for hiking and camping in any season, this tent balances lightweight portability with strength and versatility. Choose from 3-season or 4-season models to suit your adventure needs. Perfect for your next outdoor journey. Item number 4. Introducing the Toplander one-person pyramid hot tent, perfect for solo adventurers and bushcraft lovers. Crafted from 210T waterproof polyester with a silver coating, it's built to handle the elements. The fireproof chimney window lets you use a stove safely, while the double-layer design with mesh offers ventilation and protection. Lightweight aluminum poles and reflective ropes make setup easy. Ideal for 3-season camping, this ultralight teepee-style tent ensures warmth, comfort, and reliability in the wild. Item number 3. The PACOONE Ultralight camping tent is built for serious adventurers. Made from durable 20D nylon and 201T polyester fiber, this waterproof tent is perfect for hiking, backpacking, cycling, or beach trips. With a sturdy aluminum alloy pole structure, it's lightweight yet stable. Designed for 2 people, it features a double-layer build, 3,000mm waterproof floor, and all-season reliability. Whether you're heading into the mountains or relaxing by the sea, PACOONE ensures comfort and protection wherever you go. Item number 2. The Flames Creed Lanshan 2 Pro is a lightweight, ultralight trekking tent designed for 2 users. Made from durable 20D Silnylon with a waterproof index over 3,000mm, it's ideal for 3-season adventures. With a single-layer, 1-bedroom structure and compact inner size, 115 centimeters, it's perfect for backpackers. The tent weighs only 1,050 grams, and while trekking poles are required, they're not included. Note, seam sealing is needed, and glue is not included due to shipping restrictions. Item number 1. This outdoor automatic quick opening tent is perfect for hassle-free adventures with family or friends. Designed for 3 to 4 people, it features a quick setup mechanism, making it ideal for camping, fishing, or beach trips. Made from durable 201T polyester with fiberglass poles, it offers protection from sun and rain with a waterproof rating of 1,500 to 2,000 millimeters. The single-layer, 1-bedroom design ensures comfort and ventilation, while the compact style makes it easy to transport and store. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.